399 acres is located at the gateway to Hochatown, Oklahoma, just northwest of Broken Bow. The terrain is flat to gently rolling and conducive to pad site preparation without a lot of additional leveling or fill work being needed. Large hardwoods add character, appeal to the property, and provide privacy breaks. There are also open grass areas amenable to commercial or entertainment venue development without having to clear timber. Gravel on the land could be used for road construction or pad site preparation. Six ponds are in place to add ambiance to multiple building locations. The Yashaw Creek meanders over 3,000 feet through the property, providing additional scenic building sites or commercial locations overlooking this beautiful creek. The location is very convenient for visitors coming in from the south, east, or west, as Google Maps is already directing traffic past the property from the west en route to Hochatown. There are 2 larger homes on the land and 4 smaller homes that could be quickly turned into rental properties or sold. A 6-inch water main line and a 2.5-inch line run along the north boundary, a 1.5-inch line along the south boundary, and a 6-inch water main line near the south boundary. Electricity is already at multiple locations on the land. Oklahoma Natural Gas has a main line just west of the property. There are paved county road frontages along the north and south boundaries. Streets can come off these roads for streets going through the development for traffic flow or to create multiple cul-de-sac areas. The property lies 1.25 miles west of the State Highway 259 and 3/4 of a mile east of State Highway 3. For more information or to view, call today.